Hi there! If this scene looks familiar to you, but you can't seem to find the right paper towel that is heavy and stable enough to allow you to use just one hand when getting a paper towel out of it, then this product is just for you. Introducing KES Paper Towel Holder, built with a unique marble base design, which is more than just aesthetically pleasant to look at. But this thing is heavy and stable enough that would allow you to use just one hand when getting a paper towel out. And it's rust-proof, making it a breeze to clean and maintain. And to top it all off, the base is made of natural marble, and the handle features a wide variety of color patterns that can match all kinds of kitchen designs, making this paper towel holder a simple solution to an often complicated problem whilst using the kitchen. Get yours today.